Hello. On the fifth day of our Northern European cruise aboard the Norwegian Prima, our port call was Geiranger, Norway. As soon as you enter the Geiranger Fjord, the views become amazing. We spent the morning sitting on our balcony, taking it all in. Geiranger itself is a small village with a population of just about 250 full-time residents. We had a total of 7 hours to explore, which was plenty of time. We booked a boat tour of the Geiranger Fjord through a service called Book Your Guide, which was more economical than the excursion packages offered by the cruise line. The boat tour itself was ran by Bonsai Boat Tours. After getting suited up, we headed out on the water. Our tour guide was very informative and funny. He gave a lot of history of the town and the surrounding areas.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome into the Geiranger Fjord. This is the beautiful, magnificent Geiranger Fjord. I see all of you got... did you miss your hair or what happened?
Yeah.
It chopped you off, yeah?
It took it off.
It's good you are sitting here in the front because there is better aerodynamics for the boat. Yeah. Yes. Those waterfalls that you see on the side there, those are the Seven Sisters waterfall. Next to the Seven Sisters waterfall, you can see up there, there's the brown house. There's a farm up there.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
You see it?
Yeah.
The first waterfall we visited was the Seven Sisters. It flows differently depending on the time of year. Some of the sisters were missing at the time we were there. The second waterfall was the Suitor. We were able to get right next to this one. It was pretty cool. As we headed back to shore, our guide continued to give us more information about the fjord. After our tour, we walked up to the Geiranger Church. The views from atop the hill were spectacular. We then made our way down to the harbor via a set of scenic stairs that run alongside the Geiranger River. The steps took us past cascading waterfalls and had plenty of landings, which served as awesome photo spots. Our time in Geiranger, even though it was short, was plenty of time to experience everything. It was a pretty cool spot to stop at. Thanks for watching.